never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are going to be joining me as I go and get my first silk press for the very first time. That's why my hair looks crazy, and do not think that's like, what do you call it, dandruff, because this is just gel. Because I had my hair gel down and now it's like all over the place because I didn't like put a scarf on last night. I just put a bonnet on. But yeah, I'm so excited to go, and please ignore my skin. I'm definitely going through a process right now. I'm getting it back together because I started taking birth control. As I said previously, my skin was just like, it did something really bad after taking birth control, so I'm actually off birth control now because of it. But yeah, we're getting the skin back together. We're working, like, we're getting this back together. But yeah, so I'm so excited to go get my first silk press. This is going to be like interesting because I've never had a silk press before. And yeah, so I can't wait. I'm just gonna like brush my hair out probably, and then I'm gonna take you guys as I go and get the silk press, and y'all gonna see like how the results look, how I enjoyed it, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna keep talking. I will see you guys when I'm either in the car or at the salon. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is how my hair turned out after getting it straightened. So I really couldn't show you guys in the, I will say in the restaurant, in the salon, because I had to hurry up and rush and do my makeup because I'm going out to eat. I'm actually gonna, you guys want to see this vlog first. I'm kind of transitioning to another vlog after this with my sister. But this is how the hair turned out. It looks really good. Like my hair, she cut my hair kind of a lot, but you know, I still have inches even with her cutting it, so not that bad. Healthy hair is better than unhealthy hair. Okay, so yeah, it looks so good. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm just in the background.
Oh yeah, we're getting ready in the car. We're leaving like right after this. But yes, it looks so freaking good, and I really like it a lot. I kind of wish, because I kind of put my bonnet on after, and it's like she had like bum thumb underneath, and I liked it better like that. It looked really cute and full, but it is what it is. It still looks good. It's healthy. If you guys want, let's do a length check really quick so y'all can see where my hair is right now as best as y'all can get it. This is what we're looking like. I'm actually probably going to submit pictures after because y'all can't really tell, but basically that's after getting a trim. And yeah, my hair looks really healthy, really good. She did an amazing job. If you guys are like in the Jersey area, I will probably put them in the bio, like where I went to get my hair done. But yeah, it looks really good. So this is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below how you guys like my hair 1 year after getting my hair straightened in my first ever silk press. So I love you all so very much, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.